Hello and long time no see. It's been such a long time since I've made a video on this channel. Gosh, I think it's been 4 years since I've made a video on this channel. And it feels good to be back. A lot has happened in 4 years, a little bit of a life update. I got married and I gave birth recently. So a lot of things has happened, but one thing that hasn't changed is my love for shopping and luxury goods. Don't pay attention to what's behind me. We're in my office right now, but I'm still on maternity leave, so this whole room is still a mess. So I went to Saks today and I ended up getting a pair of shoes that I've really been wanting for a while. Probably for like the last year and a half, but for 2024, I spent 90% of it pregnant, so that's why I never got them in 2024. And they're from Chanel, and they are the, as you can see, this is like filled to the brim. So we have the little Chanel card, and then we also have the little dust bags for the shoes. And so let's unwrap it. We have the Chanel Ballet Flats, and this is in the black lambskin, and I ended up getting a size 40. I'm normally a size 9, and I did try on, I'm usually a 9 to 9.5, more a 9.5, and I did try on a size 39.5, but my big toe hit like the very edge of it and it was very uncomfortable. So we went up to a size 40, and the sales associate at Saks did say that it's good for it to feel really tight and snug because it will stretch out as time goes on. And I will be taking these to a cobbler because look at the bottoms. Like, these need to get taken to a cobbler before they're absolutely destroyed. And I can't wait to wear them. I know ballet flats, if you are a millennial, you probably have horror stories about ballet flats, but I love these and I wanted them so badly. I originally was going to get the version of these that had the shiny cap toe, but when I tried those on, they were very hard and thick and it didn't feel comfortable against my toes. So that's why I went for these, and I feel like this was definitely the right choice and I can't wait to wear them. I'm probably gonna wear them tonight, maybe even tomorrow, just to break these bad boys in, so I can't wait to wear them. So yeah, so that was the unboxing. It wasn't very long. And of course, just like everything, you know, about the shoe and whatnot. So yeah, I'm very pleased with my purchase. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will probably make a updated like review a few weeks down the line after these shoes have been broken in.